Okay, let's go ahead and get started with 12C. We're going to draw some lines to divide our workspace. We're not going to put the text in the drawing, but we're going to have to read them so that we can kind of figure out what we need to do. So we're going to end up having this picture, this picture, this picture, and this picture, but we're not going to get the text in there, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with our box here. It's going to be a 4.5, and then it looks like they're offsetting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. So if it's 0.25 4 times, that's a distance of 1, right? So let's go ahead and draw a box that's 4.5 by 1. So let's get those lines in here. Go border. It's a good idea to have for your OSNAP perpendicular endpoint center. We may not use it for this one, but go ahead and use midpoint, endpoint, and perpendicular right now. Go line, midpoint to midpoint, midpoint to perpendicular, midpoint to perpendicular. And then that box again, that box size is 4.5 by 1. So, rectangle. 4.5, 4.5 or 4.2? Yeah, 4.5. 4.5, comma 1. Alright, I'm just going to move this down just a little bit. Okay. And then looks like we have to offset that line by 0.25. So O enter 0.25. Oops, I need to explode it first, don't I? So again, if you drew the rectangle with the rectangle button, you need to explode it. If you use your lines, then you don't need to do that. So I got to go to modify, explode, click on this, enter. Now I should be able to offset those lines now. O enter 0.25 enter. There we go. And then this one here has got to be offset at 1.125. O enter 1.125. Whoops, something happened here. There we go. Okay, and then let's go ahead and put some dimensions on. So they look like that. 4.5. Okay, let's see if that 1.125 is in the middle. So oops, let's go ahead and bring this guy in here. So I'll use that dimension text edit to shove it in there. Okay. Alright, so there's that one. Next step is we're going to copy it down, and then we're going to just add another set of offsets in here. That's 0.062. So let's just go ahead and copy. Make sure we get everything. Okay, so we just go copy selection and bring it down. Turn on that ortho. Oops, look what I forgot to bring down, those lines. Just go ahead and put, yikes, let's go. If you copied everything down, that's good. I just didn't get everything. Okay, so we have that. So another thing we have to do is do another offset. So O enter, I think it was 0.062 or 0.62? 0.062. So O enter 0.062, enter. There, and there. Okay. And then we got to put the dimensions in there on those two. And which way are they? We got to put that in there and put that on top. So again, dimension text edit, and then bring this one on top. Okay. Now let's copy this table. I'll just copy everything and I'll just get rid of those dimensions. So we can just go copy selection and then go up. Okay, let me get rid of that. Get rid of that. All right, so let's take a look at what we got to do next. It says use mtext. Okay. Set the text height 1.125 exact and go down and set some tabs. So we got a lot of stuff to do. So let's go one step at a time. Select mtext. So here it is. There's multi-line text. Yikes. Next step is to snap to intersection of guidelines for first corner. So we'll do that. So it's going to be the intersection. So I got to have that O snap intersection on. And I come to there. Okay. Next step, set height and change to 0.125. So I type in H, enter, and then the height is 0.125, enter. Okay. Next step is change the line spacing and set it to exactly at 0.25. Okay, so down here at the bottom it says line spacing, so I'm going to type in L, enter. I'm going to set it to exactly, and then I'm going to type in 0.25, enter. Okay, got that. Now it says we got to snap it down to the end of the corner. We'll do that. Right there. Next step, set the tabs to 1.125, 2.25, and 3.375. So first set the tabs 1.125. So right click, paragraph 1.125. The other one was what, 2.25? I think it was, right? 2.25? Yeah, 2.25. And then 3.375. And then 3.375. Okay, so we got the tabs. Okay, don't worry about the layer dim. We'll change that in a sec. We'll put it in. We'll put the text light. Can we do that right now? No, I guess we'll do that right now after we type. All right, so we got to type in the text now. Lesson 1. So let's go. Lesson 1. Oops. Lesson. Tab 1. Tab, then good, enter, lesson, tab, 2 tables, okay, so it's 2 tables, okay, lesson 3, oops, 3. Lesson 3 is what? mtext, very good. mtext, very good. mtext, very good. Lesson 4. This one is ending and then very soon. Let me fix this one real quick. So this one's ending very soon. Is that what it said? S is not capitalized. How's that good? Is that good capitalized? No, that good's not. Okay, very good. That okay. Okay, it's capital K. Alright, I think I got that. Then you just click OK. Let's change all this text to text light. Okay, so it looks the same color more or less. Alright, so we just go like that. Let's just go ahead and copy it. And we'll just bring it down. Oops, I just moved it, didn't I? Copy button. So we'll just go ahead and copy selection and just bring it down. And then this one here, we just erase the guideline. This one and that one. And I think that's good enough. I think it is. Yeah. Alright, good. So let's stop.